Today in the Daily Dose, Bloody Mary. The sole surviving child of Henry the VIII's marriage to Catherine of Aragon, Henry claimed that Mary I was not of his issue after his remarriage to Anne Boleyn, and while Mary was removed from succession to the throne, she was eventually reinstated in 1543 by both Henry's will and a parliamentary law called the Third Act of Succession. When Mary's half-brother Edward assumed the throne at the tender age of 9, Edward, like his now-dead father, wrote Mary out of succession to the throne, naming his Protestant cousin Lady Jane Grey as next in line to be queen. In what many historians believe to be a brilliant coup d'etat of political survival, after Edward's untimely death, Mary ascended to the throne as the first non-consort Queen of England. A devout Catholic despite her father's Protestant reforms, Mary reverted the nation back to Catholicism, restoring papal supremacy while reinstating Roman Catholic bishops. She also revived old heresy laws to solidify her religious reconversion of England, earning her nickname Bloody Mary when she ordered nearly 300 alleged heretics burned at the stake. The fourth royal in the line of Tudor succession, at age 37, Mary wed Philip of Spain in 1554, primarily to produce an heir that would prevent her Protestant half-sister Elizabeth from succeeding her to the throne. That same year, Mary faced a Protestant rebellion led by landowner Thomas Wyatt, who was later executed at Tower Hill, while Mary's half-sister Elizabeth was imprisoned at the Tower of London for her alleged involvement in Wyatt's plot. On April 30th, 1555, celebrations broke out throughout London on reports that Mary had given birth to a healthy son. The rapidly spreading rumor proved false, while Mary's apparent infertile condition later inspired Philip to live a carefree life in various destinations around Europe. During Mary's 5-year reign, she successfully restructured the British economy, revitalized the navy, reorganized the militia, and adroitly managed Parliament, at the same time ensuring that the crown would continue along the legal line of Tudor succession. She passed away on November 17, 1558, most likely from cancer, which made her half-sister Elizabeth the new Queen of England, making the short life of Bloody Mary a reign of terror for British Protestants everywhere. And there you have it, Bloody Mary, today in the Daily Dose. Get your nerd on with the Daily Dose. And if you enjoyed today's episode, share the link with a friend or colleague so that they too can learn something new every day.